your source from Chinese perspective?
If I may add a little bit, well, Director Hanley actually raised the issue that why all those favorability rating was going down, not just China, but also the U.S. In case of the U.S., I probably say that it's due to the errors. There's always error, and it's 2 different surveys done in different years. In China's case, I didn't do it, but I highly suspect that if you apply some statistical torque, then that difference is probably very significant difference. So in case of U.S., it might be attributed to the error of the surveys, but in case of China, I think it's a very significant, statistically significant difference. And also, it seems like a lot of the scholars are a bit perplexed. Scholars are perplexed that fact that why the China should have the burden of a nuclear program of North Korea. What you should remember here, especially when it comes to survey, is that it's not about the nuclear program. Well, it is sort of like a priming effect. When we ask people about some issue, then they do not really think it through. So, and then they just answer the thing that comes up to their mind first. So even though we are asking about the nuclear program, they are probably thinking about the most recent provocation by North Korea and also Chinese government reaction to it. Well, the 2010 annual survey was done after Cheonan, but before the Yongbyon Island. And in 2011, well, we know what happened in Yongbyon, both those 2 events and how the Chinese government reacted toward those 2 incidents. So, well, I would like to emphasize that, well, it has nothing to do with the 6-point toss. Who was leading it? And who was, but maybe people, if we asked us the same question like 5 years ago, and probably the Korean government would answer the U.S. is responsible. But it was quite a remote memory for them. And nowadays, come to think of not the 6-point toss, that's a nuclear program. It's about North Korea. So when they think about North Korea, what's who is responsible for the tension? And then the answer comes up, of course, North Korea is responsible for that, almost. But